At the next station, Thomas told Gordon the whole story.
You wouldn't have a problem if you were an express engine,
Huffed Gordon.
You'd go really fast and get the job done in double quick time like me. I'll be in time to see the fair.
At that moment, the signals turned to green and Gordon raced off. I can go fast too, tooted Thomas, and he steamed off after Gordon. I will see the fair, I will see the fair. He huffed and he puffed as he sped down the track. Gordon's next signal was green. He dashed through it, but Thomas's signal turned red. Thomas screeched to a halt. The chickens in the vans flapped and squawked crossly. Thomas remembered that his job was to give them a safe and comfortable ride. Going fast was the wrong thing to do.